guys, I caught another fish. This right here is a bluegill. We'll bring him on up here. This is the second open water fish I've caught this year, 2020. This is just a little bluegill. He bit that worm. As you can see, I put a smaller chunk of worm. Oh, we'll get him unhooked here. I put a smaller chunk of worm on here so that he could take the whole thing with the small mouth. So yeah, really pretty fish. Yeah, I guess. We're going to release him here. We'll just go plop, and off he goes. And if we're lucky, we might even catch another one in the same video. So I will cast it back out there. And hope something comes and eats my bait. Such though. I really want to catch a big largemouth bass. That'd be really cool for the camera. Fishy. Come and get it. Right now I'm just fishing in a in my grandma's local retention pond. She lives around here, and it's really nice because when we come over here, we can just walk to the pond and go fishing for however long we really want. So yeah, we'll give it a little twitch right there. Okay. Right about now. Again, I was wrong. Come on, fishes. You can do it. Alright, I'm gonna keep doing this and I'll get back to you whenever I catch one. So, yeah. Bye.